how to open Snapchat account in another phone. Hi everyone, this is Kid here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can open an Snapchat account on another phone or device. So without further delay, let's get started. So on your another phone, you have to download the Snapchat application. If you have not installed it yet, head over to Google Play Store or App Store, then search for Snapchat, then install it in your device. So once you install the Snapchat, make sure that you open up the application once you're here. So from here, all you have to do is enter your credential. So here, if you're creating a new account, then you have to head over to sign up. But if you want to log in into your account, then head over to login page. So here you have to enter your username or email that is linked with your Snapchat account. So enter your username or email. Under that, enter your password. Make sure that you type in your correct password. Now, if you have enabled two-factor verification in your Snapchat account, you may have to verify via SMS or the code from an authenticated application. However, you have set up your two-factor authentication. Once you enter the code, tap on continue. Then you have to allow Snapchat for the access to your camera, microphone and contacts. So you have to tap allow if you want full functionality. So that's it. That's how you can use Snapchat account on another phone, but you cannot be logged in into Snapchat account on two phones at a time. So when you log in into your new or another phone, you'll be logged out of your old device. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.